What words start with the letter D? D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for dancing. D is for drums. D is for dinosaur. D is for doll. D is for dessert. D is for dime. D is for door. D is for deer. D is for dinner. D is for diver. D is for dot. D is for dolphin.